What's up, business game changers? It's time to flip the switch and unlock new opportunities for your income and business. Welcome to the IndeedSEO YouTube channel, where we're all about turning your hustle into real success. Today, we will drop 9 game-changing marketing tips that'll skyrocket your business. Ready to level up? Let's go. Get your audience's secret code. Let's start with a little secret. Marketing isn't about just selling, it's about connecting. And to connect, you need to know your audience like the back of your hand. We're talking about their dreams, desires, even their fears. Get to know them so well that you can predict what they'll buy next. Dive into data, conduct surveys, or just listen to them on social media. When you understand their world, your marketing becomes magic. Your website is your virtual storefront. Make it irresistible. Your website is your digital storefront. Think of it as your very own online shop. But if it's cluttered or slow, people will just walk away. Here's the game plan. Speed it up, make it mobile friendly, and focus on design that's sleek and user friendly. Add a pop of personality, and make sure your call to action stands out like a flashing neon sign. Because when people land on your site, you need them to stay and buy. Social media is your stage, shine bright. Next up, social media. It's not just a place to post memes, it's your stage. But the key isn't just posting content, it's creating conversations. Post content that not only informs, but also sparks discussions, questions, and emotions. Share your behind the scenes, engage with your audience, and create a community. The more you connect, the more your followers feel like part of your journey. And guess what? They'll buy into your brand because they're part of it. Content that speaks, doesn't shout. Let's talk content, but not the just another blog post kind of content. We're talking about content that makes people stop scrolling and actually engage. Become a storyteller. Share case studies, client success stories, and thought leadership that challenges the norm. Create content that not only educates, but also entertains and gets people talking. When you're the content king or queen, your audience will listen. Email marketing, more personal than you think. You might think email is old school, but trust me, it's still one of the most powerful ways to connect with your audience. But here's the trick, don't just send generic emails. Send personalized, value-packed content that feels like a one-on-one conversation. Provide exclusive deals, tips, or insights that they can't get anywhere else. And always use a strong, compelling subject line that makes them want to open the email. Paid ads, your business secret weapon. Now, let's talk about those sweet ads. If you've got the budget, don't shy away from paid ads. But don't just throw money at the screen and hope for the best. Instead, use targeted ads that speak directly to the people who need your product. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or Google, take the time to segment your audience and optimize. Test and refine your campaigns so you're getting the best ROI possible. Partner up for power, influencer marketing. Tip number 7, influencer marketing. If you're not using it yet, you're missing out. Find influencers who are already speaking to your audience and partner with them. This isn't just about having them promote your product, it's about creating authentic content together. When influencers are aligned with your brand values, their audience will trust you and turn into customers. Your customers are your best advocates. Let's talk about word of mouth, but in the digital age. Customer reviews and testimonials are the new word of mouth. Encourage your happiest customers to leave glowing reviews, share their stories, and create content around their experience. People trust real stories from real people. Your customers will become your best marketers and spread the word about your brand like wildfire. Data, your marketing crystal ball. And finally, the secret weapon to all successful marketing efforts, data. Don't guess, no. Track everything you do and use those insights to refine your strategy. From Google Analytics to social media metrics, use the data to measure what's working and what's not. A data-driven strategy helps you make smarter decisions and spend your marketing budget wisely. So, there you have it, folks. 9 creative and unique marketing tips to skyrocket your income and business. Remember, success doesn't come from doing the same thing everyone else is doing. It comes from doing it differently. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below with your favorite tip, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert marketing strategies. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing, and keep crushing it. Need a better marketing solution? Reach out to IndeedSEO today and watch your business soar.